Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a powerful Excel debt payoff tracker in 2026. So if you want to monitor balances, payments, and your payoff progress, this step-by-step setup will help you stay fully in control. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank workbook. Yeah, starting from scratch keeps your tracker simple and flexible. Next, in the first row, type your main headers. For example, debt name, starting balance, interest rate, minimum payment, extra payment, and current balance. These columns capture everything you need to track. Now select the header row and make it bold. You can also add a fill color and adjust column widths so everything looks clean and easy to read. All right, in the current balance column, enter a formula to subtract payments from the starting balance. So subtract the minimum and extra payments from the balance to track progress. Next, create a summary section using the sum function to calculate total starting debt and total remaining balance. Yeah, this gives you a quick financial snapshot. To visualize your progress, insert a chart, like a bar or donut chart, showing remaining debt by account. Seeing the numbers shrink is really motivating. Finally, apply currency formatting, add borders, and maybe highlight the input cells. A clean design makes your debt tracker much easier to maintain, and that's it. You now have a fully working Excel debt payoff tracker. Yeah, update your payments regularly and watch your debt drop over time. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more practical Excel tutorials.